Well, when I get calls, most people want to talk about anything, right? There are materials, there are lessons on Cambly that people use. You would probably be intermediate or advanced, and they just give a bit of grammar, some new vocabulary, and then questions, chances to speak. And some students find articles on a website called Engu, short articles about daily issues. And they read it to me, I listen to their pronunciation, and then there's questions for us to talk about complex things. So those are the three kind of lessons that normally happen on Cambly.
Got it. So actually, we are Bengali people, we are Bangladeshi. We start English learning from our childhood because this is our major subject in our academic level. English is our major subject in Bangladesh. But we know grammar, we know we can read, write properly, but we can't speak very well in English. This is our main problem.
So in school, they just have you answer questions about grammar. You never get to talk to each other in class in English. That's a shame. It's not the best way to learn.
So I can't see.
My video is gone? Huh.
Yeah.
Must be the connection. Can you still hear me? You can't hear me at all?
Still not seeing. Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see.
Hopefully it comes back.
Okay.
All right, well.
So that's why I'm talking about my childhood learning English. We know some of grammar structure because we study grammar, and we can read, write, everything we have done in our childhood. But we have major lack, that is, we can't speak properly with other people because in our school teacher or tutor, they couldn't teach us how to speak fluently. This is our main problem.
Well, that was good. That was excellent. But I see what you mean. Like, then if I was you, I would use Cambly to just talk. But if I had a new tutor, you tell them what you want to talk about, because otherwise you'll always say the same things. They'll say, what's your name? Where are you from? What's your job? And that's not very helpful. So you got to tell them, today I want to talk about anything, anything in the news, something new, you know, a different topic. That's probably the only thing that can help you at this point is practicing with a native speaker, listening to the way the words they use to quickly express a point.
I got it, sir. Actually, sir, we are talking for more than 12 minutes, but can you suggest me how long take it time to be a fluent?
How many lessons are you taking? How many lessons are you taking on Cambly? Do you have 3 15-minute lessons a week?
Yeah.
A long time. You know, it's about exposure, because you speak for 15 minutes on here and then you speak Bengali for 2 days, you know? So if you were living in Australia, you'd be fluent in 2 months. If you were speaking a lot, you know, a lesson every day, or you had a friend who speaks, then maybe 6 months, 4 months. But the less you speak, the longer it's going to take. But your English is very good, so that's a plus. You're starting from a very high level. You're just trying to get that last bit.
So there are no alternatives to practice.
No, we're speaking now. I don't think so. I wish there was, for me too, because Yeah, in my language, I need to speak much better as well. My reading is good. It's the hardest thing to practice on your own. Maybe someone else will have an idea, but I have no idea. So, what time is it in Bangladesh? What time is it
Sorry?
where you are?
Right now, 6:30
6:30
p.m.
p.m.
6:30 p.m. evening time.
So, dinner time.
Not right now. Dinner time is actually evening time.
How late do you eat?
Sun actually sit down sometime later.
When will the sun set, do you think? 8 or 9?
No.
Oh, good.
Right now.
And then you eat in a few hours. Fair enough. Do you like cricket?
Yeah. I like cricket very much, and I like Australian cricket.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Who's your favorite?
I'm a big fan of.
Who's your favorite player?
Oh, actually, right. Shenyuan was my favorite player,
Brilliant.
and Gilchrist. Megra, those was my favorite